Hello guys, welcome to another video. Doing a train review stuff, well, basically running trains on the layout for this morning. I've done other videos to it, but obviously I haven't done yet. Just trying to set up the one of the tracks to make it work, and we probably need the inside one. Thank you. Come on, let's I have to run a video, you know. Turn back notifications and turn the bell icon. My voice is just really croaky today, but I think it's quite sore today as well. I don't know if it's due to the anti-mold spray I did in my bedroom, because my bedroom wall on one side had a lot of mold growing on it, so I had to spray all that over a few days ago. I wonder if maybe my throat goes strange. Because obviously I have to spray the stuff to make it work properly. Strange cat. She's too excited sometimes. I didn't even do my filming and stuff. There you go. You fell down again. I understand what sort. There's nitrogen on this line. You can see now there's got a bunch of video gameplay to do. Should be fun. Just need to charge my camera battery up. trying 31 runs, Nick. No.
I'll let it lie. Oh, and away she goes. You having a nice time?
Well, filming, yeah.
Are you filming?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
I do morning and evenings now.
Mr. Darcy. Mr. Darcy.
It's all not just going to happen. 1 o'clock. So, just running trains, it'll probably be for a couple of videos, but not for very long. Just because obviously with the battery being low in the camera, well, the camcorder should I say. Diesel trains do run as well as they do, but yeah, the battery needs charging. I'm going to have to charge it up for this evening, but I'm not quite sure what I'm going to play this evening. I might have to give it a think about maybe Planet Coaster, Days Gone or something. I may even Fable on the Xbox. Or a few others. There'll be a lot more. I'm going to try and build up my I'm going to try to build up my video gaming channel on my YouTube gaming channel. Basically I'm going to spend a lot more time on that during certain times of the year to build it up to the subscribers and the likes and the views on it. So we can end up getting more views on that channel. Just see if we can catch up with my training channel of mine. It's a year old now, so it should be over further than what it should be aimed to. Time's 81. Yeah, some of the trains on this line doesn't always like work as well as they should, but model units can occasionally be very unreliable.